everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here or just stopping by, hello, my name is Jennifer. I'd love it if you stuck around and subscribed. Lots of fun things happen here. We do makeup, we do mommy, we do home remodeling, we do vlogging, we do just like a lot of shit. So I don't want to ramble on and on in this video, well, in this intro, honestly, because I still need to film another video. But my dinner is in the kitchen waiting on me, so I'm fat. I want to go eat. Yeah, today I just wanted to do a very simple, bold, classic golden smoky eye, dark vampy lip. Got a little glossy going on for the holidays. This is super perfect for Christmas, or, you know, just every day. If you want to, you can do it every day. You do you. My lashes don't match 100%. I hate it when they do that, but I'm gonna stop rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's get into it. All right, so I already have my eyes primed. Let's do this. So I want a very basic gold smoky eye. I'm going back to basics here. I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star and Morphe palette, and I'm gonna start with where'd it go? What's the tea? It's like this baby puke brown. I thought it'd work. I do have my eyes primed with the ColourPop No Filter Matte Concealer in Fair 00. So I'm just gonna kind of pack this in. I honestly can say I've never used this shave, and I'm really happy I decided to finally use it. So, how's everyone's Christmas shopping going? Are we having fun? Are you enjoying it? I, for one, am almost done, actually. I'm filming this on November 27th. I'm almost done. I'm very proud of myself. I just have a few things left to get that I'm gonna get in store. I don't think I've ever been this ahead of the game. A lot of it is because Ellie's birthday is 2 days before Christmas, but we're celebrating her birthday like 2 weeks before. Her family is gonna come up. Well, our family is gonna come over and just eat some cupcakes and watch her open gifts. It's gonna be very low key. My mom said that's what we used to do, like back in the 90s. Like that's what they did for my brother and I. We didn't have like full-blown fucking parties every year. Seems weird to me, but whatever. I never really had birthday parties. I never had a lot of them because my birthday is in February, and where I lived, pretty much every single year it snowed on my birthday or right around my birthday, to where no one would want to come to my party because they were scared they were gonna get snowed in. And the only year I can remember it not snowing on my birthday, when I was like little and it mattered, was my 16th birthday. I said little, I meant like younger, and it, you know, like it was a big thing when you were a teenager to have your party. My 16th birthday, we had no school for like 9 days because we were in a flash flood warning. That's only in Kentucky. James had to go out of town earlier to pick something up for our kid, and he brought me back a Dunkin's coffee. I've never had this one. I always get caramel. This is large French vanilla swirl with red cream and sugar. It's very delicious. Okay, so now we got this laid out. I'm gonna go in with Hi Dude. It's just a matte dark brown. And I'm just gonna start carving out an outer corner. Pretty much just popping it right where I want it. Like so. And then I'm gonna go back in with What's the Tea and blend all that in a little bit better. Like so. And now I just want to feel something. Oh, Okay, that's definitely a green shade that I've never even noticed being in here. It's called Glam Rapids. It's like a green gold shade. Let's just see what's going on with that. Ooh, I like that. Okay, so Glam Rapids, it's like this lime green shimmery color, but it's popping more gold. It's a green gold shade. I'm gonna pop that on my lid. No need to cut the crease unless you just really want to. Oh, I like that. I like how this is coming. Okay, we're good. I'm gonna go back in with that first crease brush and just fuse those two colors a little bit. Oh, oh, oh yes. Oh yes. I really like this. I don't know what's wrong with me. Yeah, I like that. Do we like this? It's very basic. Let me hop off of the screen and I'm gonna catch up the other eye, fill in my eyebrows a little bit, and I'm gonna cover up all these little blemishes on my face. I'm struggling here, but I'm gonna go put this together and catch up my other eye and we'll be right back. Okay. Feeling a little bit better about my life. God, I think I've said it in like the past 5 videos. I really desperately need to clean my makeup brushes. Okay, my eyebrows came out a little too close together. Like, to the extreme, but it's all good. It's all good. We're gonna work with it. I'm gonna quickly take this Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Party, and I'm just gonna pop this on. I very rarely wear blush, but I'm feeling it today. You wanna know what it is? There's pink in my shirt, and I'm feeling it. I don't normally wear blush though. Perhaps I should start. See, now I just feel like I look like hot, like flustered, like warm and sweaty, not like hot, like, oh my God. I'm pretty sure y'all could have figured that out on your own. I'm gonna pop over that just a little bit, tone it down a little bit. And we're back, we're good. So, hang on, I need a drink. I totally forgot to mention in my past few videos, by the way. I hope you like the not very much, but still a little bit Christmas decor I got going on. I have hanger nipples. Sorry, James and the girls. By girls, I mean my child and my dog are in the living room. I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Waterproof Retractable Eye Pencil in black brown, and I'm just gonna tight line quickly. Beautiful. And actually, I'm gonna quickly go in with Designer Label. It's just a lighter pale yellowy gold. I'm just gonna kind of pop that over Glam Rapids. Just kind of bump it up a little bit more. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with What's the Tea again. It's just that poopy, pukey colored eyeshadow in our crease. And I'm gonna buff this underneath. And sorry, I'm also gonna take Hi Dude, same brush, and I'm just gonna smudge this on the very outer edge. I'm gonna hop in with Welcome, which is what I highlighted my face with, and hit under my brow and my inner corner just a little bit. Whew! Okay, now that that is done, I'm going to add a little bit. I'm trying to decide if I want a wing or not. Yeah. I'm gonna do a wing very quickly. Physicians Formula Eye Booster in Ultra Black. I'm gonna throw on some mascara. This is just getting thrown on the floor. This is just the Essence Lash Princess. And then I'm gonna use some Duo Lash Glue and the Kiss 01s. I'm gonna put all that on and we'll be right back. Okay, we are back. We got lashes on. I feel a lot better about my life. And now all we have left to do is a lip. And I'm struggling right now because I cannot decide. I can't decide if I want to do like a peach, like a pinky rose color, or if I want to do a dark. I think I'm gonna do a dark because I almost always wear nudes. Okay, so this is the Wet n Wild Mega Last High Shine Liquid Catsuit, and this is in the shade Devil's Advocate. So I'm just gonna, hold on. Don't mind me. I just realized my shirt's a little see-through. We're just gonna act like you didn't see anything, okay? So I think I'm gonna do, yeah, a dark. So this is a Rimmel Exaggerate Full Color Lip Color in the shade Ravish. I'm gonna quickly line my lips and then fill them in with this glossy, dark, vampy color. Okay, so sorry, my dad video called me, so it cut off my recording, and I just went ahead, filled in my lips, and then put on that liquid lip. I really like how this turned out. I'm happy I decided to do the darker, vampier lip. I think this is really pretty. It's very holiday glammy if you wanted to throw that out there. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to. I do a giveaway every 100 subscribers. We just got done with the 500 subscribers at the beginning of this month. Last month, excuse me, at the end of last month. And we'll do another one when I hit 600 subscribers. So, I hope you guys liked it. I'm gonna stop rambling and get off of here, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!